My name is Eddy Pokluda. I've been in the industry 36 years. When I graduated from college, I went into banking, and banking would probably be about the opposite of this type of work. A very good friend of mine told me about what he did, and he was talking about how satisfying it was to see people be part of them rebuilding. Nothing against banking, but the rewards there were a little bit different as far as the human aspect of it. I'll never forget the first loss that I had to see what our people could do. In this case, it was a fire, to clean them up and reassure them that they could be back, and to see what they could expect from us, how it evolved into them getting back into their home and their children and feeling like nothing had happened. That's above and beyond what you get as pay. That is something that kind of works on you psychologically and is very self-satisfying. For what you do does make a difference. I've seen the worst of the worst, time and time again. It's important not to let it become familiar or something that you deal with because it's your job. So I work very diligently in trying to exhibit that feeling. We want to help and we understand their problems and we move forward understanding their issues. And it's our job as a team to try to assist them. In this industry, teamwork is of the top shelf to be involved with, because whether it's logistics, whether it's equipment, whether it's movement of people, whether it's hotel accommodations that they'll rest their head that night, whatever the case might be, it takes all of those individuals. It could be someone in accounting, it could be whatever position. It's important that they all contribute through a team effort to make it successful for our clients. In order to have a team, what do you have to have among your team members? Trust. You're going to do your part, I'm going to do my part, someone else is going to do their part. And they have instilled that in their hiring practices and their training as part of their core values. Our customers, they want to see that integrity. I've worked for several large companies, and I'm not sure I've ever seen their core values. But here's a company that puts it on their website. They talk about them every meeting, and when you go to an employee, I don't care if it's in accounting, I don't care if it's an operations in the field, they know those core values and they believe in them. And I think that is one of the reasons for the remarkable growth of ESP that I've seen over the years.